Hello student, in this lecture we want to study the next function enthalpy. इसके पहले अपन ने थर्मोडायनेमिक्स फंक्शन थर्मोडायनेमिक्स प्रॉपर्टीज ली थी. पहला लिया अपन ने हीट, उसके बाद में W वर्क डन, उसके बाद में इंटरनल एनर्जी एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट फंक्शन enthalpy. What is mean by enthalpy? Enthalpy, that is the amount of heat is evolved or absorbed at a constant pressure is measured by a new function that is called a enthalpy. तो enthalpy का मतलब that is the sum of internal energy and pressure volume type energy. Sum of internal energy and pressure volume type energy, that is called a enthalpy. तो व्हाट इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर एंथैल्पी? एंथैल्पी के लिए क्या आ जाएगा? H इक्वल टू इंटरनल एनर्जी प्लस प्रेशर वॉल्यूम टाइप एनर्जी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एंथैल्पी. नाउ द इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर्स, साइलेंट फीचर्स ऑफ एंथैल्पी. एंथैल्पी दैट इज द सम ऑफ इंटरनल एनर्जी and pressure volume type energy. Again, it is an extensive property, that is its value depends on the quantity of a matter. Second, that is it is a state function. It is a state function, that is its value depends on initial and final state. Why is it so? Because the internal energy is the state function, pressure volume also state function, so the enthalpy is also state function. The absolute value of H cannot be determined, absolute value of enthalpy cannot be determined, but the change in enthalpy can be calculated. That is, the change in enthalpy delta H equal to final minus initial. Enthalpy of a final state minus enthalpy of a initial state. So change in enthalpy can be calculated as H2 minus H1 final minus initial. Now amount of heat is evolved or absorbed at a constant pressure is measured in terms of a change in enthalpy, is measured in terms of a change in enthalpy. उसके बाद में now for 1 mole of a gas, for 1 mole of a gas, H equal to 5 by 2 RT. H equal to 5 by 2 RT. तो ये हो गया about the enthalpy, sum of internal energy and pressure volume type energy. याद हो जाना चाहिए बिल्कुल. The expression H equal to U plus PV, internal energy plus pressure volume type energy. It is a state function, that is its value depends on initial and final state and not on the path followed by the system. Why is it so? Because U is a state function, PV is also state function, so H is also state function. तो ये होगा about the enthalpy. Now let us study the change in enthalpy. अब what is mean by change in enthalpy? अभी देखा अपन ने change in enthalpy, it is denoted by letter delta H. Change in enthalpy delta H. तो what is the expression? Delta H equal to H2 minus H1 हो गया, लेकिन actually in terms of this, that is the delta H equal to, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा delta U plus P delta V. This is the actual expression for the change in enthalpy by using this equation. Delta H equal to delta U plus P delta V, that is the change in enthalpy can be calculated. अब कैसे? 2 मार्क के लिए स्टेट बोर्ड में पूछते हैं derive an expression for the change in enthalpy. Derive delta H equal to delta U plus P delta V. Now अब इसको derive करेंगे. Now according to the definition of change in enthalpy, तो क्या आ जाएगा? change in enthalpy अभी देखा आपने just to equal to delta H equal to final minus initial. Let U1, P1 and V1 be the internal energy, pressure and volume in a initial state of a system. Then H1 के लिए क्या लिखोगे? According to the definition, U1 plus P1 V1, ये होगा equation number 1. Similarly, let U2, P2 and V2 be the internal energy, pressure and volume in a final state. Then according to definition H2 कैसे लिखेंगे फिर से, that is U2 plus P2 or V2. Now putting the value in this equation, so delta H कैसे लिखोगे, H2 की value that is the U2 plus P2 V2 minus U1 plus P1 V1. Now solving this, U2 minus U1 plus P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Now अभी देखा अपन ने according to the definition what is mean by enthalpy. Enthalpy का मतलब amount of heat is evolved or absorbed at a constant pressure in a open vessel. So P1 equal to P2. Consider, let P1 equal to P2. We can write P equal to constant. Then what is the equation? क्या आ जाएगा फिर, डेल्टा H इक्वल टू यहाँ पर डेल्टा U प्लस P कॉमन आउट V2 माइनस V1, या फिर वी कैन से डेल्टा H इक्वल टू डेल्टा U प्लस P डेल्टा V. डेल्टा H इक्वल टू डेल्टा U प्लस P डेल्टा V. तो ये हो गया डेरिवेशन फॉर द चेंज इन एंथैल्पी. ख्याल में रखने का, दैट इज द एक्सप्रेशन डिराइव एन एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द चेंज इन एंथैल्पी. तो अपने को डिराइव करना है डेल्टा H इक्वल टू डेल्टा U प्लस P डेल्टा V. द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट इज हियर वी कंसीडर द इनिशियल एंड फाइनल प्रेशर दोनों भी कांस्टेंट. क्लियर. तो यहाँ पर the amount of heat is evolved or absorbed at a constant pressure is measured in terms of a change in enthalpy. So delta H equal to delta U plus P delta V. Okay.